Hey guys, Joe Massey here with Castle & Cooke Mortgage. Today's Friday, February 21st, and just wanted to send out a quick video update for you. No new tips or marketing ideas today. Really wanted to talk a little bit about the classes that I have upcoming for you. In the link below, I'm going to have my upcoming classes for the remainder of this month and all of March and first part of April. So the highlights I wanted to cover with you are number one, coming up next week, Wednesday, February 26th, is my class about how to get your loan approved guaranteed. So whether you're getting loans for yourself or for your customers, or if you're a real estate agent and you're having trouble getting your customers' loans approved, would really encourage you to come to this class. We're going to cover the four main areas of lending, what you need to look for, what you need to watch out for to make sure that your loan gets approved, and I'll show you how to make sure it gets approved every single time. Next, Wednesday, March 5th, we've got our HomePath class. As you know, I'm a direct HomePath lender. I think about 3 to 5% of real estate agents are taking advantage of the HomePath niche. Really a tremendous niche for owner-occupants and investors to purchase properties with very little competition. So would really encourage you to come to that to learn about HomePath and taking advantage of that. Next, on March 12th, Wednesday, how to finance condos. This is a big one that I've seen. The condo market is really coming back in Denver, and I get a lot of calls about, Joe, is this condo warrantable, non-warrantable, FHA, non-FHA? So I'm going to spend an hour talking about the difference between a condo, townhome, difference between FHA, conventional, VA, warrantable versus non-warrantable, and I think if you're working in that market, you'll really find a lot of value in that. And then the last one in March is Wednesday, March 26th. We're going to talk about low down payment options. I get a lot of questions from folks, Joe, I don't have 3.5% down, or I don't have $5,000 for my down payment. I have $1,000 or $2,000. There's still a lot of really great options that you don't have to have a large down payment. So hopefully you'll find some classes here over the next coming weeks that'll be helpful for you. Again, check the link down below for the list of upcoming classes. I only mentioned a few here, but there will be several others that will probably be helpful for you as well. If you have any questions or ever need any help, you can reach me at 303-809-7769, and of course email me, jmassey@castlecooke.com. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.